Hello. In this episode, we'll be talking about the listeners. So, what is a listener? Listener is nothing but a plugin which helps us to view the results of our test execution. Now, we all know that JMX or JMeter performance test file should be run in a non-GUI mode. I hope you all know that how to run a JMeter test in a non-GUI mode. If not, then let me know in the comment box so that I can make a separate video on that. So once we execute that particular test in the console or a command prompt mode, we'll get a JTL file. That JTL file, we can upload it over here and see our respective results. So there is various kinds of results. View results tree will generate you all the results that are passed or not passed. Summary will give you a result that how many samples are there, average, min, minimum response time, maximum. Please note all these comes in the milliseconds. So whenever you save this result in a CSV file, it would be in milliseconds. You have to convert it to a seconds. That means you have to divide it by 1000. Aggregate report, backend listener, aggregate, all these things comes to give you a result in a more tabular way. We do not need to create a separate Excel or any other tools. JMeter has their own pre-defined plugins which we can use. We can even generate graphs also if we want. For mailer visualizers, everything is present in this particular listeners that are available. How to add listeners? We have to go to the thread, right click, and we can click on the listeners. Now if we want to see what are the assertions that has been filled, we can use the assertion results. Aggregate will give you the minimum, median, 90%, 50%, 99%. What is 90%? 90% means 90% of the total samples of this level got this response time. 95 means 95% of all the samples of this level got this response time. There is no separate meaning of this. This is it. In many of the load testing scenarios, we have seen that 95% is taken, 90th percentage is taken, 99% is taken, or many a times only the average is being taken. You can choose it accordingly the project which you are doing. And view results table tree, this particular listener comes in a more graphical way or in a display way, but if you want to see it in a tabular form, we can use view results tree in table. It will give you the latency, thread name, label, everything. So this is what the listeners do in a Apache JMeter. I hope you understand this. If you have any question, do let me know in the comment box, and thank you.